Hello everyone. So our next inbuilt function is split. So here you all can see we have a split and we want to split based on comma. Okay. So that double quotation and we are writing comma, that is one. This is first part and then comma and then this is the second part. So in the second part, wherever comma is there, it will get split or separated. So and everything will get stored in L. So if I don't use for loop, I will get everything in L right now. Control S and F5 like this, comma second element, comma third element. But if I use the for loop, okay, so we will get one by one element, but not in the list form. It will be like a separate first line first output, second line second output, and third line third output. Control S and F5. See, this is the output of the for loop, and this is because obviously we are writing print L here over here. That's why we are getting. So split will obviously split based on the separator. Here we have used comma. So based on that, it will split our given string. Thank you everyone.